What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you want to know how to put or make pumpkin spice dehydrated apples. It's extremely simple. I personally recommend having a slicer right here, pumpkin spice, dehydrator, and a bowl, and that's all you need. So this slicer, I like it because we can cut apples really fine. So this is a full apple, and you can see how thin we can do it, and we can go even thinner or thicker with this. So it's very simple. We take our pumpkin spice, and I'll have a link in the video description where you guys can get everything you see here, included the pumpkin spice. And I recommend having a bowl because it makes it easier and cleanup is so much better. So we take our pumpkin spice and we drizzle over the apple. You can do both sides if you want. By having a bowl, you can catch any extra powder, and that way you can put it back in your container so you're not wasting any. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. And you don't need much at all. When doing both sides, that's basically all you need, just a little dab. You don't need much. Because apples taste really good without anything, so you don't want to overdo it. You don't need to add any water or anything because fresh cut apples are moist enough. So you just need to cut the apples fresh. Don't need oil or anything. You set the dehydrator between 125 and 135. And every couple hours, check on it. When you get near the end, check on the dehydrated apples, I would say. When you're 4 hours to 6 hours in, check on the apples every half an hour. Alright, now we're going to switch over. And like I said, you guys can do this for cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and others. So we're now switching over. We got cinnamon here. We're going to go back to do some cinnamon. And I'm actually going to do a cinnamon pumpkin spice mix for some. So you just add a little cinnamon on one side, pumpkin spice on the other. And it creates a really delicious dehydrated apple. When you get clumps, I'll show you guys here. So sometimes it comes out in little clumps. Just take your finger and kind of rub over, just in a circular motion, to get rid of the clumps. And what you can do is, I don't have a bottle free, but you can mix, which makes it much quicker. You can mix your cinnamon with pumpkin spice, put it in a different shaker container, and then you can just shake it, all together, and you don't have to go back and forth. That's something that I used to do. It's actually been a while since I did cinnamon and pumpkin spice apples, so I ran out. I actually threw away the container that I had, so I need to, once I use up a container, I will then mark it as pumpkin spice and cinnamon and go that way. Oh, these look so delicious, guys and gals. Please hit that like button. Again, if you want to see more videos like this, and please subscribe, because that shows me that you guys actually are interested in me doing more. So we're running out of room here. Okay, yeah, we're basically running out of room. So we're gonna have to break up some of these apples. We can actually lay 2 on each other because they're so thin. Kind of lay them on the outline here. We're gonna have to put them on some other rows. I don't normally like to crowd it like this, guys, but I don't want to waste these apples. I need more trays, I honestly do. So eventually I'd like to get more trays. Then I won't have this problem. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands, wash everything else, and start the dehydrator. Hey guys, welcome back. So we got the pumpkin spice on the top here, we got some cinnamon in the center, and we got regular apples at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and turn the dehydrator on. We're going to set it for probably in between 125 and 135 for now. And then we might up it in about 3 hours. So yeah, so we're going to check on them in about 3 hours from now and see how they look, and maybe up the temperature or lower the temperature. We'll see. So see you guys in a bit. Oh, that smell is just amazing, guys. So let's show you what they look like so far. So they're still got moisture in them, but they're coming along very nicely, so it shouldn't be too much longer. It depends on how you like them. Some people like them really crispy, some people like them a little bit chewy. It's just going to depend on your personal preference. That smells amazing, guys and gals. So here's how they look. They're not quite done yet. We'll check back in probably an hour and a half. It's going to depend on what you like. Some people like them crispy, some people like them chewy. So we'll see. I like them. Sometimes I like them chewy, sometimes I like them crispy. So we'll see what we want to do today. Alright guys, so looks like they are done. And they are delicious. I've already had one and they taste amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.